Hello my friends, my name's Dan from PzKpfw and today we're going to be building this Meng Toons kit. Let's do this. Okay, my friends, the tank is all finished now. These little cartoon tanks are really, really good. They go together so well. I'm impressed. This is my version of the Panther. I've done it in the camouflage scheme. Yeah, I'm impressed at how well these kits go together. I've seen everyone else's build so far. Good job on yours. Good group build. I'd like to see them continue to do this next year. I think Charlie Mack mentioned in his video that they were doing it again next year. So kudos to yeah. I highly recommend you check out these kits anyway as well. These kits are quite good to build. They go together in a couple of hours. I spent more time on paint than I did putting the kit together. So this is my finished little tank. Like I say, there's no fit issues because it's all press fit. I have glued my parts together, so I don't want it to fall apart. But yeah, it's a good little fun kit. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.